guys, and welcome back to NoBlandMakeup, where we do makeup and body paint tutorials, usually with a cosplay twist, and today is the start of my World Cup series. But before we get to that, I have a merch store! So if you guys want to support the channel, I have t-shirts, hoodies, stickers, things of the like. So if you guys are interested in any of that, the store is teespring.com/NoBlandMerch. The link will be down in the description. Now back to what you are actually here for. So the World Cup is coming, and I wanted to do a series of flag-inspired makeups for every country that's participating. This has been a dream of mine for a little bit, and I have failed every World Cup since. But this year we're doing it. So to start off this look, you're gonna apply some blue eyeshadow on the lid. The other thing, because I know a lot of countries have similar colors in their flag, for the challenge for me was to keep the colors in the same order, so that way you can kind of technically tell it's the same flag, which should explain the end of this look a lot. But you're going to go ahead and blend that a little bit into the crease and wing it out just a tiny bit. Now once you're done blending, it should look kind of like a blue smoky eye. Now we're going to take some red eyeshadow, and blend that on the lower lash line. You can keep this like just to where your eye ends. I want to blend it a little bit further out for a little bit of added drama. Do try to keep it kind of close to your eye though, because if you blend it out too much, it looks a little bit too blown out, and then it looks kind of funky. I had to do this look twice because of that. So yeah, just in case anybody was curious. Now this is where things got a little interesting. I wasn't sure where I was going to put the white, because on the Russian flag, the white is on the top. And I have a dark blue and a red on the bottom, and I figured putting white eyeshadow over top of that would look a little weird. Yeah, you could do it as a highlight if you want, but that is a little bit too simple for my taste. So I went in with some white eyeliner. I didn't have any, so I used Inglot Duraline and some white eyeshadow to get that kind of mix. When you're doing a kind of cut crease like this, or any kind of graphic liner work, if you have more hooded eyes, or you don't have like large eye space, which I'm so jealous about, then you want to make sure that you're looking into the mirror so you can see when your eyes are open how much of your look is actually going to be showing. Now I was trying to be a little neat with this. Obviously that didn't work out too well, and the line wound up being a little bit thicker than I wanted it to, but that's okay. What I eventually wound up doing though was redoing that line completely, because I realized it was too long to put in the dots. So I just cleaned that up and then applied my dots. If I were to go back in time and do this again for the third time, I would shift the line a little bit more so that last dot on the red wasn't on the red, but that's just hindsight talking. Then once I had all that done, I went and applied some black liner to my lower lash line just to give me a little something, you know. I don't know, I feel like it looked a little bit better. Technically, this is cheating because there was no black on this flag, but I tried, man, I tried. Then I went in and kind of just gave myself a little bit of a wing, because this look kind of does bring your eyes down. It's a little more droopy, so I kind of wanted to try to even it out a little bit. I'm not entirely sure it worked, but the thought was there. Then I went ahead and applied some false lashes again to kind of bring some balance to this look. Just because it's a little heavy on the top half, and I felt like mascara wasn't going to be enough to do it, so I just applied some more natural looking lashes. If you guys want a full tutorial on how to apply false lashes, I'll have that linked up in the cards. My biggest tip, measure twice, cut once. Once you're done, this is about what it should look like. So good luck to Russia and all the other teams that are going to be competing in the World Cup this year. US isn't going to be there, but soccer is not really our thing anyway, so it's all good. But if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so YouTube knows you meant it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!